In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Following that, tap on Lock Screen Password. Click on Change Unlock Method and decide which connection way you want to use. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Now you finally get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're ready, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Then select Cancel or Add in Fingerprint pop-up. And finally, when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!